What's happening? You already know what it is, man. G-double-O-D to the Y in the building, man. It's good to get at me. Another installment. Let's get it. Already. Mr. No Pen, No Pads, baby. Yeah. Okay. I gotta have one. Maybe two, maybe three, maybe four, but one good one. We love that. Yeah. My black Barbie. My black Barbie. Yeah. All day, every day. Yeah. Okay, she bad, and she got stupid swag, and you can tell this by her fucking bags and her shoes that she wear. Her wardrobe tailor-made and her attire, it appears. And she just like them niggas that's way up here, and not you lower niggas way down there. And y'all so fucking fickle, y'all can't play around here. The bitches that love me, my black Barbies, they say that my swag is I nip by teens. And man, we are tainted off this drink and blowing on some strong, and I don't know what I'm gonna be, but I do know like one thing, that Waffle House scene ain't where I'm trying to be. I'm trying to be up in those jeans. Black Barbie doll, baby, I'm so involved with it, ready to run the whole gauntlet, so won't you come with them? I'm trying to tell them the truth, I'm just the proof in the booth, and at the same time I'm pushing you to be my, yeah, on top of the head, baby, yeah, hey, my black Barbie doll, niggas ain't ready for him. Okay. Yeah. Already. Y'all done had enough.